I'm gonna show you my cars. This is the first one. And let me go and get my other ones. This is called the boat car. This is called the dumpster monster truck. This is called a Corvette. This is called the drag race car. This is called, it's called a Midwood brand. And this is called a MBX. This is called a Skyjacker. This is called a Mad-Out. This is called another Mad-Out. This is an army tank. This is a Dodge. This is a 1988 High Roller. This is a drag racing monster truck. This is a drag racing lawnmower. These are the same as this one. And then we have a SWAT truck.